Hi, this is Shannon Monique, and I would love your opinion on this matter. Yes, that's the right word, matter. So, this is my Desiree clutch, okay? She is a semi-structured clutch, okay? What makes her a semi-structured clutch is that the front and the back stay the same and the gussets move. So that means it's semi-structured. I'm thinking of teaching this bag for our first leather bag class in the series. She's fun to make. I think we can make it over in 2 sessions, maybe shorter, which will leave times for questions and answers. However, I'm thinking this can be my beginner bag to the introduction, as an introduction to the techniques that I use and some of the materials that I use. Okay, I love this bag because she keeps her shape. I have contents in this bag here. However, if the contents shift within the bag and you're holding it in your hand, okay, the contents, you won't see the shape of the contents on the outside of the bag. So the bag is going to hold its shape, okay? This bag has these contents in it. However, I'm going to go ahead and close up my bag. And the only hardware in this bag is the magnets, okay? This bag can be made with a wristlet. See, I have one here that I didn't finish. However, it can be made with a wristlet of this size with some tab attachments inside, and can be held with the wristlet. Or I'm going to just use this again as an example. This can be made with a little thinner strap, okay? And it can be made into a shoulder bag if someone wanted to wear it as a shoulder bag. And also, the straps can be detached. So I'm figuring in the class, I just basically teach you all some of the techniques that I use to make this bag, some of the, introduce you to some of the materials that I use to make my bags, okay? And this can be the beginner bag here, all right? Like I said, it's still structured there, no matter what contents are on the inside. This one happens to have a wristlet strap to it, okay? So it can be worn as a wristlet, okay? Let's open the bag here. Same thing, structured pocket here, structured pocket there, okay? And it's lightweight. It's very lightweight. So it won't stress the user's wrist, and it won't stress the user's hands by being too wide or unstructured. Here I have my bag that I carry. It's a tote bag, but it's a slouchy bag, like a hobo bag. Some clutches that are made are very slouchy, okay? And it basically forces the user to grab it and hold it, almost like if you were holding a bag, a paper bag or something like that, okay? And here it is, I have contents in there, and you can see the contents, you know, have misshapen the bag. The original shape of the bag is like this, but once I start holding it like this, it loses its structure shape, okay? And that's because this is an unstructured bag. So I just wanted to introduce you all to the Desiree, something that you can, you know, carry in your hand comfortably without the contents of the bag shifting and you having to shift it or hold it a little more secure within your forearm. See? So let me know what you think. If you all want to learn how to make this structured clutch, it's very versatile, okay? And it has minimal hardware on it. So if you have some beautiful leather, the onlookers, their eye will gravitate toward the leather instead of towards something that's blinging. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. I'm excited because I can get started on teaching you all how to make the Desiree. Okay, and use this for our beginner bag. So see you soon.